Windows search has gotten quite better, but it still lacks speed, especially on hard disk. Here is a simple and small tool which gives lightning-fast search result for even PC with older hardware. So stay tuned. First, go to this site and download Lite installer, and quickly install this following these steps. Hard disk user can install this as service so that it doesn't have to index files every time you open this search tool. SSD users just follow my steps. The real speed difference you will see when you compare this search tool with inbuilt folder file explorer search functionality, which lacks speed and cross-drive search functionality, which will save time when you know that file name and forget which drive or folder you had that file in. You can also search file by typing in just file extension. Here is the scan result of Everything Search tool. To remove this tool, just type Remove in Windows Search and press Enter. Search for Everything tool and click on Uninstall. Thank you for your time. Do consider leaving a like and subscribe if it helped. Have a good day.